Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso with another product review. Today we're talking about PhoneSoap, PhoneSoap Go, and PhoneSoap XL. These products, if you're not familiar with them, will disinfect your smartphones, tablets, and other common household items. These devices utilize UV radiation to zap the germs on those devices, and like the sign says, promises to kill up to 99% of devices using UV rays, or germs on devices with UV radiation. So as you can see, I've got the sign up for PhoneSoap Go, but let's talk about PhoneSoap Regular for starters. Now PhoneSoap comes in this little handy metal box that is designed mainly for smartphones. So if you've got a smartphone, you can easily open up the lid, and then as you can see, the UV lights are on the top and the bottom, and you can put your smartphone in with PhoneSoap. So let's grab a smartphone, my iPhone, and let's throw it in there. So if I want to charge it, I can just stick my smartphone in with PhoneSoap and then close the lid. Once I close the lid, the device will start working. The lightning charger light will come on, and it will start disinfecting my device. The other thing that you can do when you're disinfecting your device with PhoneSoap is that you can charge your device at the same time. Now, some versions of PhoneSoap are wireless. This is not, even though I do have a wireless charging phone. So the way that you would make it work is if you can see towards the back of PhoneSoap right here, and I'll get it centered here, you can run a USB cable for either your iPhone or Android device that allows you to charge your phone. If you turn it towards the back, as you can see, PhoneSoap has a regular power cable, if I can grab that, which goes in here, and we'll insert that power cable where it says power. Also, you have slots for USB-C, and then it's the USB slot. So at the USB slot, what you would do is you would take the USB cable, plug it into the USB port, and then you would run the cable inside the device, which it's got a little slot for, and you would allow it to charge your smartphone while it's disinfecting your device. Now, as far as disinfecting and your device, charging it obviously is going to take a while. But as far as disinfecting your device with PhoneSoap, usually takes about 10 minutes for the whole process to utilize the UV rays to clean your device. And normally that's what you would expect under normal circumstances, because when you disinfect a regular device using alcohol, water, or even bleach, you would let it set for about 10 minutes to make sure that it's thoroughly disinfected. That way it's got time to kill all the germs. Now, the next item that we're going to talk about is PhoneSoap Go. And some of the things that we'll talk about PhoneSoap Go is how versatile PhoneSoap is. So now the difference between PhoneSoap and PhoneSoap Go is PhoneSoap Go comes with a little handy carrying case. So if we unzip the case, I can move my fingers there. Let's open up PhoneSoap Go. There it is. This one's white. We can remove this handy dandy case, which allows you to just take it anywhere. But as you can see, PhoneSoap Go looks almost just like regular old PhoneSoap, but it's white and the charging lights are a little bit different. You've got a lightning light here that you can barely see, but also you've got charging lights that show. Oh, there we go. If you can see if we can zoom in on that. There we go. See, there's what the lights look like as far as PhoneSoap Go is concerned. And PhoneSoap has the same lights too, but it will allow itself to charge, so that way you can charge your smartphone and not have to worry about plugging it in all the time. Now, as far as disinfecting, it's the same thing. You just stick your smartphone in with PhoneSoap. You can close the lid, and lo and behold, it will start disinfecting your device once you close the lid. Other items that you can clean or disinfect with PhoneSoap Go and regular PhoneSoap is remote. So here's an old dirty remote. I need to clean that, don't I? You can open up your remote, stick it into your device, and let it clean with PhoneSoap, provided it'll fit. Now, this remote is a little bit fat for a PhoneSoap, so it will not charge it. We'll get to the item that will do that. Same thing with, say, a wallet. You can definitely grab your wallet, stick it in the phone soap, and let that thing disinfect as long as the lid will close. Um, Other things that you can charge or disinfect with phone soap as well are car keys. You can stick that in there, and as long as the lid will close, you can disinfect it. Same thing with game controllers. So if your kids have a Nintendo Switch, you can definitely stick your Nintendo Switch controllers in phone soap, and as long as it will close, and as you can see, this one won't, it will disinfect that device. Now, for those larger items, because obviously if you've got a tablet, it's not going to work in phone soap or phone soap go. So what can you do? You see, that's a little bit too large to fit in phone soap. So that's why you've got phone soap home. And we're going to pull this behemoth off the floor here. And then there's phone soap home. There's the front of it. And then if you look at the side, you can see the phone soap logo. So with phone soap home or phone soap XL, it's home now, you can see that cavern inside is pretty large. So items like your tablet, you can definitely stick inside phone soap home or phone soap XL, close the lid, and once it's plugged in, it will start disinfecting that device. So if you've got larger items or multiple items, like if you wanted to have your smartphone, let's get that in there. And you've got a remote, and you got your wallet, and you've got your controllers. I think you kind of get the drift of phone soap. That controller fell down. Anyway, once you close the lid, it'll start to disinfect and get your devices clean. You can also charge specific devices too. So if we turn around the phone soap Go, or excuse me, XL, as you can see, it's got a charging port here at the back. It's also got a USB slot to plug in a single device to charge, and a little slot where you can slip that in there. Now I always joke around with this. The cords are not interchangeable with these devices, so make sure that if you do get phone soap home, you don't lose the cord, because these devices are not interchangeable as far as disinfecting. Now the one challenge that you have with phone soap XL and phone soap home is the fact that you can only do tablet devices. You cannot do a larger laptop. So as I'm about to see after I remove this stuff from phone soap Go, is that if you have a larger laptop, like say this HP laptop, there's no way that it's going to fit inside of phone soap. As you can see, it ain't happening. So if you need to disinfect a laptop, probably one of the best things to do would be to get a mixture of isopropyl alcohol, which at least needs to be 70% concentration. This one's 90% and from CVS, and 50% bottled water, or just water, and then you can spray it onto your laptop and get it disinfected that way. So if you're concerned about disinfecting devices around the home, I would highly recommend that you would go with phone soap Go, and phone soap XL or phone soap home. All these devices are designed to make sure that the UV rays in them will kill flu-like, COVID, all of that stuff to keep your family safe and healthy. So check those items out. So as always, if you've got comments or questions about phone soap, if you've used it and you loved it, leave it in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what you thought of phone soap or other products you would like to see me cover in future videos. And speaking of videos, I always have to throw the subscribe and like up there. Look at that, just roll around. Anyway, if you've subscribed to our YouTube channel, either Integral, my company, or myself, Burton Kelso, the technology expert, there are tons of videos, trust me, tons of videos and product reviews that are designed to help you get more from the products that you use at home and at work. So with that said, I love technology. I've read all of the manuals, and I'm serious about making technology fun and easy to use for everyone. Take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile, and thanks for watching.